Hey guys, here I am going to explain problem C1 of Code Forces round 708 division 2. Here we are given a positive integer and a k. Here in easy version k is equals to 3 and we have to find k positive integers such that the sum of these k positive integers equals to n and the LCM of these k positive integers is less than equals to n by 2. So in this easy version we are given that k is equals to 3. So how do we approach this? Let me show you. We can approach it like we can start approaching it like that, as we have to make the LCM less than equal to n by 2. Then we can think it like this, that somehow we divide the array into three elements and maybe the elements are like n by 2, n by 2 and maybe 1, some kind of this. Somehow this we are somehow if we are able to divide the n into these three elements, so we have to figure out separately for even and for odd n. So if n is, let's say, even, then let's first start with odds so that will be easy to understand. So let's say n is odd, then n minus, we can divide our array into n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2, and sum of these two elements is equals to n minus 1, so last element will be 1, and LCM of these three elements will be n minus 1 by 2 and sum of these three elements is n. So that's easy part. What for even? And if we divide it like this, that we divide it by n by 2, let's say n by 2 comma n by 2, obviously we cannot divide it by n by 2 n by 2, then we will not be left with any element for the last. So let's say we divide it by n minus 2 by 2, n minus 2 by 2, then we will be left with 2. So here we are doing this for these problems we have to think like this only, that if we are doing this, then what will be cases, and we have to just observe all those cases, and eventually we will be able to reach our answer. So here LCM can be n minus 2 by 2 if n minus 2 by 2 is odd. So let's say, let if n minus 2 by 2 is odd, we will have this case. But what if n minus 2 by 2 is even? If n minus 2 by 2 is even, I'm sorry, if n minus 2 by 2 is even, then only these three will be having LCM less than, LCM equals to n minus 2 by 2. So what if n minus 2 by 2 is odd? So we observe this. Let's say if n minus 2 by 2 is odd, then we can be like this: n minus 2 by 2 odd means n minus 2 by 2 plus 1 is even. Okay, this is even. That means if we multiply it by 2, implies n by 2 is even. So that's how I approached it. So if n by 2 is even, then we can do our division like this: n by 2. As n by 2 is even, then we can have n by 4 and n by 4. As it n by 2 is even, we can divide it again by 2. So if n minus 2 by 2 is odd, then this will be the case. So that's how we observe. And for so this is my implementation of this problem. This is just directly having some if else statements and so that's how we solve problems even easy version. And for hard version, I listened from my friend that we can divide the array like this, that if we are given some and some k, then we can do this. Then we can have a recursion, and if in recursion if k = 3, then we just call this function. Okay, otherwise we divide it divide it by b, mm, divide our array into two. We divide our n into two parts. We print one, and for the rest part we call recursion again, n minus for n minus 1 and k minus 1, and eventually we will reach k equals to 3, which will be solved by this, and which will be having an LCM less than equal to that n by 2, which will already be less than our current n, and all the rest of our elements are 1. So that's how we solve problem C2. Thank you.